This is our 65 boxes here. We got a set of them here. 65 inches long, the complete length of it is. You get 50 inches of storage or wrenches. This is the A model. The A model has all your hangers and tools, just like our 180's got. Very same setups in it. Combination metrics up to 25. SAE combinations up to inch and 1/16. 50 screwdriver nut drivers down the middle here. 60 some sockets. These inserts come out. We also have a blank that you can put in them. That's the A model. This one here is our B model. Same size. This has got a 3-tiered shelving. Carry lots and lots of stuff. If you notice how they roll, our roller system, our patent is in a roller system. Our rollers are all underneath the drawer, not hanging off the side like everybody else does it. We do it a little bit. Everything's slam closed. You can purchase these one or the other. On the opposite end, we want you to look at how it's designed on the back, where you can carry a air compressor or heavy stuff on the back of them. This is the back side of our 65 model boxes. This is where our roller system comes into, so we've covered it with 10 gauge steel. If you use them as a pair, you can mount your air compressor, or you can mount one of our 180s across here, and makes a room for lots and lots of storage and tools.